Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Wanted to give you guys a quick piece of advice before I go in and do some work at the coffee shop here. Had somebody approach me today, and I've had numerous people approach me about this, that they're struggling to make money, in their affiliate marketing business. And so, they tend to ask questions like, what's a cheaper way to, drive traffic? What's a better program out there? And while some of these questions are valid questions, they don't take care of the problem at hand. And so I want to help you guys understand what the actual problem is when it comes to this. A lot of you guys are doing solo ad marketing, right? So you get in a system, you get in a program, they tell you to buy solo ads first, which I have nothing against solo ads, although I don't think that they work as well as they used to. And there's a lot of shady vendors out there, and it's just hard to know if you're getting quality, clicks or not. And so I always told people, if you're doing solo ad marketing, you must be supplementing that with something else. You need a constant flood, a stream of traffic coming into your funnel every single day. If you don't have that, the chances of you succeeding are very slim to none. If you don't have customers, potential prospects coming in the front door, new blood every single day, the chances of success are very, very low. And so when it comes to doing solo ad marketing, a lot of you guys are running your first few solo ads and then you get stuck. You don't know what emails to send out next. You don't know what the next step is. And I often tell people to document your journey. So that would be whatever product you're going through, document the progress of that product, what you're learning from that product, the results that you're getting from that product. So that's great and grand and everything, right? You start doing it on social media, and then you send an email that sends people from the email to the social media post or the video where you're documenting that journey. But a lot of times these emails are ending up like in the spam folder. And it can be very tough to diagnose. Are you using a root domain email, a bot email, or are you actually using a free like Gmail or Hotmail account? That's problem number one. If you're using a free email service to send and receive emails, that's one of the reasons why you're not getting the results that you want. Another problem is that you just haven't studied marketing long enough. You don't know the right subject lines to use. You don't understand what the problems in your market are, and that's okay. You need to develop some experience, and that's just deploying a lot of patience and sticking around, making this industry, making this business the career path, the future that you truly want for yourself. And so the problem is twofold. Number one, a lot of your emails aren't going to be delivered to where people can actually see them. And so to compensate for that, you need to be doing other advertising strategies. You need to be emailing more. And you need to be getting a consistent flood of traffic, aka, of course, like I said, doing other advertising methods. So the answer here is there's a lot of variables, as you can see here. Money likes speed at the end of the day. If you don't know copywriting, if you don't know how to, use the right subject line, headline, you don't know how to write an email, that's okay. Start modeling what other people are doing. Model their emails. And then as you write and see more and more emails from other leaders, you'll automatically start writing better. When you start looking at your business, I talk about from the marketer's eye. When you look at these emails from a marketing perspective and not a consumer perspective, like I'll often look at an email subject line and I'll ask myself, does this email subject line make me want to open this email right now? And if I get the answer yes, then it's probably a subject line I want to put in my swipe file that I can refer back to and use at a later date for another email. Okay, so you need to become a master of email marketing, number one, if you really want to succeed with it. Number two, you need to supplement your email marketing with something else, like Facebook marketing or YouTube marketing. I'm talking about free advertising, whether you're marketing in Facebook groups, you're marketing on YouTube, you're doing video. You need to supplement your advertising with something else. That's why you're stuck. You're not taking enough action. You're not you're trying to perfect the process before you really even take action. You need to get some data first. And I feel like I'm repeating myself in a lot of my videos, but I need to get you guys to go out there and take action. There's no automated system. There's no secret done for you system that's going to do everything for you. You need to take the lead and you need to send out your own stuff. You need to brand yourself. So I hope that you start supplementing your traffic with other strategies, right? Learn one free organic strategy and keep doing your email marketing. Keep sending out emails. Look at your open rates. Look at and find out where the emails are ending up, right? There's going to be some technical things involved. You might need to go to Google and search for all the answers to all these questions. Google is your best friend. That's what I used when I didn't have access to a direct mentor or couldn't pay a mentor. So with that said, hope you got value from this video. If you want to be trained from start to finish in affiliate marketing, you want to learn how to go from zero to making your first six-figure income with affiliate marketing and beyond, check out my top recommended program below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. If you got some value from this, please like, subscribe, tick the bell icon so you can be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them.